Welcome, one and all, to another episode of the award-winning, that's right, the Love Wrestling Brunch Gimmick award-winning for content creation speed vlog, as well as the Fightful award-winning vlog. Veda.
Hi.
Today we're going to Denver.
Yeah, I'm sorry there's a lot of crap in the back of the car. I just got back.
That's okay. You slept in the car a lot this weekend.
I was on the road. I was in Canada. I was in Michigan for 3 days. It snowed a lot. I was stranded a couple times. We're all good though. Okay, you can't see. Well, now I have to say what I was gonna say. Can you see that I'm wearing striped pajama pants in the car because I did not get dressed as per the airport.
You hit all the hot spots in Michigan over the weekend. Saginaw, Detroit, Lansing, Harpo's specifically, which is one of the wettest venue in America. Wet. Why is it so wet?
It's so wet. There's leaking. It's mold. It's not good. Anyway, I was deep in Juggalo territory all weekend though. So.
If you go back and watch the vlog that I did where I had a match against Blake Christian at GCW at Harpo's, we were the main event. We're last on the show. And the venue, it was like warm outside, bright, sunny, no rain at all. But the venue was soaking wet for some reason.
It was leaking on our commentary table.
Is it condensation or just general like?
I think there's holes in the ceiling, and the place is kind of a shithole.
All right. Well, speaking of shitholes,
we love Denver.
We love Denver. You know, I was just
Denver's great.
No, I was gonna call this place a shithole, which is also wrong because I love the Lehigh Valley. But speaking of hills, I'm going to Philly.
You're going to Philly?
Love Philly.
No, I love Philly too.
I love Philly too.
But you're going on an airplane, which is honestly
That's right. I'm not even going on an airplane, I'm going on a bus.
Wow.
Yep, okay. American Airlines bus. Let's go. Keep doing what you're doing, I'll just get natural, just keep don't mind the camera.
Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the
candid. That's the word I was looking for.
Last time you did this, I thought there was a bug in the locker room because somebody tweeted at me. He tweeted something that I only said behind the scenes, so I thought that I was planted by the CIA, which I am. I know
you are. Yeah, we know you are. We know you. We know what you do. We know what you're about. Dalton, which governmental organization do you represent?
The National Institution of Health.
Good. Regardless, we're doing some AEW games. There's some kind of tournament happening. Apparently, Harley's up first versus Serpentico. I'm gonna win forever.
Probably. I'm not very good at games.
Here's the game. It's spinning. It's spinning. It's spinning.
Come on, Pokemon Snap.
There's a wheel of games.
Is cock.
What? God, it's...
MTV Celebrity Death.
Okay, let's play.
Off-screen hand, you know? I guess.
All right. RJ, so is given a very important task.
You were?
I was,
okay,
specifically.
But from who? Maven? It was Maven, wasn't it?
It was not Maven, unfortunately. Though, also, I did screen cap a tweet that you made earlier today that reads...
When you see me, I want to be the guy when I show up, I make a surprise announcement that you're not going in the Hall of Fame.
Well, which is great timing on your end, because you are going in the Hall of Fame.
I don't want to go in the Hall of Fame.
You're in it.
No, you're ruining my tweet. You're ruining my bit. I don't want to go in the Hall of Fame. No, this is not what I. This is not you. Who?
Did you
Brunch
carve this?
Gimmick Hall of Fame.
No, this is the Love Wrestling Brunch Gimmick Hall of Fame, in which RJ City is being intronized.
Why? No. I didn't invite them into my bit. I didn't invite you into my bit. You can't just glom on. You can't siphon bits. I created the bit. It's up to me to include. This is not what I want. What is Brunch Gimmick? What is Love Wrestling? That's Spencer Love guy?
No. Well, yes.
Yeah,
yes. It's
that's
Spencer
a little
Love,
weird that his
last
name's Love and he named it after himself. Imagine if you had Bailey wrestling. I'd be like, you're fucking insane.
I don't see a problem.
No, it's weird. It's bizarre.
There's
People
the Fightful guy.
Weird. No.
The Fightful guy, Sean Fightful.
Yeah, Sean Fightful. Absolutely. This is not what I wanted, and I don't know what I'm not even going to hang this up ironically.
I don't have music to play, but this is the worst acceptance speech I've ever heard in my life.
I'm not going to throw this out. I'm just going to leave it somewhere. Yeah, that's right.
I'm going to
leave. No,
you're not going to frame it, put it up on your wall.
Because it's not your bit, and I'm not participating in it. And you should ask me for permission. Like, and I do fashion myself the Undertaker.
That's not how awards work.
You're coming into my yard of bits.
You don't go, hey, Shawshank Redemption, can I give you the best
They campaign
movie
for
award,
it.
whatever it is.
They campaigned. They got on the nominees list. They're aware of it.
Which you did, but we're all familiar with your passive-aggressive style of campaigning, the same way you did for your all-week graphic.
Which has gone so well. You know, I wanted to talk about a more important issue. About you.
Me?
Yes.
What's my issue?
I heard your little socio-political rant about how the trios titles should be intergender.
Yes.
May I propose that you, as a they, have already made that happen?
You know, there's an argument to be made for that.
I think there is. I think I want to give this to you.
I mean, I think there's a perfect argument to be made for gender not being a thing that matters.
Exactly, and you are the first they trios champion. I want you to be recognized as such by the Love Wrestling
But the
people.
problem is that this says RJ City,
It
so
can
I
change.
can't. No, it can't change.
We
it.
have a back. We can put something on the back.
Carved
Give me a marker.
into
Give me a
wood.
pen. Does
Just
anyone have a
take it.
Sharpie?
Just take it. It's been carved into wood. All right.
Thank you to the fine people at Love Wrestling for the Brunch Gimmick. They're not in the business. They shouldn't be using these terms. I'm the fucking Undertaker of AEW. Respect my yard. Mow my lawn. What did he say?
Congratulations. Yeah, mow my lawn.
Mow my lawn.
Yeah.
Please welcome Speedball!
Hello, friends. How's it going? Thank you all for coming out. All right, let's get to it. Damn, we got some fancy lighting.
Yeah.
Kevin.
Ooh, we done updated.
Yeah, right?
I like this.
Hey, thank you, by the way. I can't show you on camera because it would break kayfabe.
That's right. Yeah, we're moving up in the world. We
Oh, yeah.
gold on our chest. We're
Boom.
going for more gold on the way, always.
You're about to get into a big match,
Yes, sir.
one-on-one.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great as always.
That's fucking
not too much really shake up the jet, so I'm just feeling confident. You know, I got gold around my waist, got you by my side, so here to show the world that the jet is not just the future, but the now. So that's what we're doing.
Well, you know, I might let you get this one on your own. I don't think I'll be ringside for this
Think so?
one. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I appreciate
I think
it.
you got this. We got the. Yep. Let's go. And boom, just like that,
Just like that, in the nick of time.
it's Saturday.
Wow.
So, okay, a lot of things that happened on Wednesday. And earlier on Saturday, we're like halfway through Saturday, and earlier. So, okay, to recap, Wednesday, you won a match. You beat Mansoor, and then you got on the mic and you made a challenge.
You know, you had to let the people know what's really going on here in AEW.
And keep reminding them.
Keep reminding them, MJF over here just want to spill out all his plans. He thinking I'm not listening. I heard you want to do a one-way stipulation, so I'm gonna put my man on national television before you try to get the upper hand. That's just what we do.
Yeah, people on Twitter were like, "Oh, how did Kevin know that MJF was going to do it?" So do you guys think, if you're watching at home, do you think that MJF is the kind of guy who keeps things close to the vest? Or do you think he just goes around bragging, having loud telephonic conversations about whatever business is going on with him?
Man, listen, we're listening. We're always here, so know thy enemy. But the fact of the matter is, we beat Mansoor. I'm putting my hat in the title for the world titles because I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed. And early on Collision, you know, he over here doing this thing.
Just Nancy, just get in here.
Yeah, get in there, little
Hey, you
rascals.
boys. Hey,
Little rascals.
4 days ago, you guys had a pretty crazy no DQ 5-on-5 fucking matchorama.
That was a bit nuts. That was a bit nuts. That was a bit crazy.
How y'all feeling? How y'all liking AEW? Like, it's been
Oh, we got the interview
Bro,
with
it's
Kevin.
been
What up, Kev?
sick.
It was cool.
I
It was
feel like
cool.
we
It was smooth.
fit just like a glove up in here. You know what I mean?
In there.
But you really do. I know that you guys have the same, are currently having the same experience that I do. When I started here, which is like, oh, this is just, I know everyone. I've wrestled, have the roster. This is the kind of wrestling that I want to do. This just feels like home.
And we're having fun with friends.
It's great. Fucking best.
I got some of that.
Oh, you want
let me know.
I mean, we were about to go get some fixins over at a catering room.
So unfortunately,
I'll get some of them fixins.
this is just the DJI Action 6. It doesn't pick up smells. I think maybe a couple of years down the line, you guys will be able to smell what we smell through the camera. All right, so we've got some more shit to talk out there. So let's go do that. And we're back. Look who it is.
It's me.
Coming to pick me up after a long flight back from Denver to Philadelphia, then get back on that sad bus back to Allentown to Lehigh Valley International Airport. Though, does it even have international flights?
Mexico and Canada. Well, I think
There's no flights to Canada from.
there's no to Canada.
AB.
Isn't there anything like Cancun or something like that?
Maybe.
Like, it's just kind of it's a local airport. There's a lot of flights to there's a lot of like Disney flights, like Orlando for like families and stuff. I feel like hot garbage, so sorry for the presentation of my voice.
Okay, so yesterday was Wednesday, but also Saturday. Today is Thursday.
Oh,
but
fuck.
if you're watching this, it's Monday, and you did New Japan Pro Wrestling in Trenton, New Jersey, and Rain Women's Wrestling in...
It's along with the 01 US stuff. It's in Chicago. That happened on Saturday, and then I already did New Japan on Friday. What?
Oh, and I did a seminar at the Worldwide Dojo
yesterday, which was Sunday. But today is also Thursday?
Yes. Oh my god. Which I think might be a separate video.
What?
If I do vlog the seminar, which I might. I'm sure I will. I will certainly make a point to film a lot of it, but I might put it only on the Patreon.
Am I even alive right now?
Oh my god. Regardless, yesterday, Veda, I don't know if you saw it. I don't know, because it was Saturday for me, but not for you, so you may not have seen it yet, but Kevin and I went out and called out Kazuchika Okada and Kyle Fletcher because they said they were the best. They said they were unbeatable. Protokada, yes.
And you did this 2 days ago on Saturday.
2 days ago, yes, which is 3 days from now. Regardless, we've got so much going on. A ton happened this week.
So wait, are you gonna fight them?
I'm very excited. I don't know.
You just calling people out now?
So, Vado,
they're not the worst people to call out. They're like top guys.
Yeah, they're
they
pretty
both got
fucking
titles.
cool.
Like, it's not the worst guys to call out.
Okay, they are legends, right? Kyle, still not like near the Okada legendary status, but he's getting there. He's a multi-time TNT champion, right? So, 1, very, very high status in pro wrestling. 2, they're hot, tall, very sexy,
muscular,
high value males.
They
are looks maxing, both of them, but we still mogged them because they are beatable. We've beaten them.
Hold on, if we're gonna be fucking around with the space-time continuum, can we go to a reality where speaking like that doesn't exist? Please.
Okay, all right. Regardless, lots of exciting stuff happening. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.